Hi everybody, I'm Shirin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a crafts maker, and on my channel I will be posting super cool videos about easy paper crafts, DIY projects, and other handmade tutorials on updates every single week. I also give all the tools and instruction for you to have the pleasures of making handmade stuff. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for new content and make sure you comment below to say hello and also tell me what crafts are you into, so I'll be post more of them. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
We're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.